Is survey compa a leisure service side or is it a just complete waste of time? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you why you need to think twice before spending any time on survey compa here. On survey compa website, everything looks fine and you can see it looks like any normal service side. You can sign up and then you receive money, making opportunities, and you get rewarded. That's kind of how service sites, and it is very easy to sign up. You just have to select here and fill out. So I will just do that, and once you fill out your birthday and gender, what you get is this screen. That's the next step. You don't even have to fill your email out by now. And here are a few offers where you select which ones you want to sign up for. You can see there is not very many, and it is actually server side. It is not like base survey as such. It is a little bit strange, but I will explain soon why not all of them are actually leisure. So you select which ones you want, and then you click continue to final step, and then here you have to fill out your name, and then you complete sign up. I have done this already before, and then complete the sign up. How to make money on Serverline. In this video, I'm going to show you what Serverline has to offer, and then you can decide for yourself whether make money on and it is worth your time or not. So I will just log in and then I will show you around. I am now logged into Serverline. Let me just start by saying that it is actually a legit server side. It is not a scam. It is free to join and you can actually earn a little bit of money here. However, I do not saying that it really has super good options, but I will show you here and then you can see for yourself. But once you sign up, you actually don't have to log in to get surveys. You will receive an email when there is available server, and you can just click the link there, and then on the platform here you can see there is a few options you can. For example, refer your friends, or supposedly you can refer your friends and earn a little bit extra money by inviting other people to join. But if I click here, you can see it is unavailable, and it has been that for months since I tried the first time, and then it is still not available. So if you want to make money here, it is by taking base surveys. I think it is not like a huge amount of a few a week. It is the same compared to other service sites, but there are a few things that are not so great about this, and that is one of the things is that Serverline only offers to pay by check. It is, paying by check or getting paid by check and be fine. It is a good as cash pot. Personally, I just prefer the option for PayPal or Payoneer or otherwise or gift cards where I can get it electronically. That's of course a personal preference, but there is only one option. It is limitation in my opinion. Also, it says on the website that you can join from all over the world, but when you sign up, you actually only have the option to you have to say that you are from Canada to be able to join, which is also a little bit strange. And as you can see, it is also very old design in my opinion, which also means that it is actually not mobile optimized. Personally, I think it is amazing to have that option to take survey on mobile, because it's easy to just take as a survey once in a while. On Serverline, it is not really a site that's ideal for this. So as you can see, Serverline is a legit service side and it is possible to join. So if you want to join it as an extra site and not as one of your main ways to earn on base surveys, if you want more videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like. Stay safe and goodbye.